Hello, my name is Jeremy. I'm a senior design engineer here at E3D. Today we're going to talk about our contact bed leveling solution, PZprobe, particularly the aspect of how to install it and troubleshoot it.
First, mount your new heatsink into your stealth burner. We will now wire up the PZprobe to the printer, starting with the heatsink. Connect the flat flex to the PZprobe board, making sure the black stiffener is facing upwards. We can then connect the PZprobe board to the printer. Feed the wire through your gantry and then the rest of your printer. Then connect the 8-pin connector to the PZprobe board. Take the JST XH connector and plug it into the end stop connector of your printer. Set yourself up for success and make sure you do the following. Set the end stop pin, set the probe speed, set the motor current, and then add a delay before probing to ensure that the tool head has settled after moving in the XY plane. Ensure that any of the Z homing speeds are set to the same value as the probe speed. Give your nozzle a light tap. If you see the LED flash yellow once, then you're ready to home your printer. To do this, we always use a default preset setting on the PZprobe board. A low sensitivity setting on your PZprobe board can lead to your tool head crashing into the bed. To avoid this, you can do the following. If your PZprobe isn't triggering, then it could be as simple as cleaning your nozzle with a wire brush. Preset 3 is the most sensitive pre-configured setting you can choose out of the box. Increasing the probing speed provides the PZprobe with a bigger signal to detect. This is particularly useful for less rigid toolhead mounts or beds. If your PZprobe is being falsely triggered, here are some tips to help you identify what is causing it. Change the preset to number 1, and then try tapping the nozzle again. If it's still too sensitive, try preset 2. Reducing the motor current provides two features. It reduces the vibrations and noise that can lead to false triggering, and if for some reason your probe doesn't trigger, your bed won't get damaged, and neither would your nozzle. This is particularly important for when your PZprobe falsely triggers on the initial movement of probing. If your fan is causing the false triggering, try using preset 7, as this uses a filter which may remove the fan noise. Lastly, if you still haven't gotten to the bottom of the false triggering, we recommend reducing your accelerations and jerk settings. These are particularly important because if your probe is falsely triggering on initial movement, it will likely be the cause of this. The final step to take before starting your print is to home your printer.
And there you have it. You have now upgraded your printer with PZprobe.